Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Google Meet microphone not working on Windows 11 and Windows 10 or some other passages, no microphone found in Google Meet. Such type of error you will receive. Then here are the fixes. Open your Chrome browser and open Google Meet. And here go to settings cog from the top right corner. Click on it. And here you will see microphone permission needed, microphone is blocked. Such type of error message appear here. So close the windows or minimize the windows and go to settings of your system. Right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings page. Here from the left side go to privacy and security page. Thereafter go to right side and here under app permission you will find the option microphone. Click on it and make sure that microphone access and let apps access your microphone both feature is turned on or enabled. Also desktop app web viewer, this should be turned on. Thereafter close the settings page and again go to Google Meet page and here refresh this page. Again click on settings cog from the top right corner and you will see microphone is still blocked. So click on three vertical dot against top right corner of the same page Chrome browser and click on settings. Thereafter click on three horizontal line against top left corner and choose privacy and security. Here scroll down and click on site settings. Here scroll down and under permission section you will find the option microphone. Click on microphone and make sure that site can ask to use your microphone is enabled and not allowed to use your microphone under Google Meet. If you found, simply delete it. And site can ask to use your microphone, make the check against this option. Go back and close the window, go to your Google Meet page and refresh the page. Choose settings from the top right corner and allow microphone. Click on it. Again choose allow and now your microphone is duly enabled and you can also change other microphone if your system has installed another microphone driver, then this is enabled. And check whether your Google Meet microphone error resolved or not. If not, go to the device manager of your system and here expand audio inputs and outputs driver section and right click on your microphone driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and Windows will now update your Microsoft microphone. Apply all these drivers also and you can also change your phone from one driver to another in